All right, today we are going to tie up a little Mayhem Minnow. Start off with a size 8 hook right here and a 5.5 millimeter tungsten bead. This pattern I got and all the materials from Fly Fish Food. They do awesome tutorials and they give you all of the materials you need down in the description. So it's awesome. So you can kind of watch how it's made and then go buy everything. It's a great business model. So we're going to start off doing a quick thread base here to kind of get this bead started to be locked in. We're going to tie in a tail. This is the Premium Marabou Blood. This is the fluorescent white from Fuller Mill. So we're going to take that. Actually, I'm going to use this one right here. All right, we're going to take about a little bit over a shank's length, I think. So we'll tie him in right here. And we're going to do a couple behind. Make it pop up a little bit. Nip that off. Flatten all that out real quick. We're going to add the body in here, and we are using the Fuller Mill Streamer Straggler Metallic Jumbo. It is, what is this? Silver light pink. So we're gonna tie a little bit of that on there and bring your thread to the front. I'm going to use my rotary function to do touching spirals all the way up to the front. All right. Do a couple wraps in front, a couple wraps behind to lock it in. Try not to trap too much here. It's kind of hard with this stuff. Snip off that excess. Look at that, did it without snipping my tying line this time. All right, next we are gonna tie in a piece of marabou from the tip here. Snip that excess off right there. And then we are going to do a couple of wraps. Trying to make sure everything's flowing back. Probably should have preened some of that off to make it a cleaner tie off at the beginning. Wraps in front. Wraps in back. enough right there. Really start to pull it all back because we're going to put a rabbit strip on next. So we want to make sure this is all out of the way. All right, so start taking all that down to below your hook. Well, we're actually going to put some legs on. So I'm using the little gold guys here from, got the golden pumpkin. I do these little wacky legs or whatever they call them. So even them out, lay them across, do some around the back, around the front, tighten it all up. Again, start pulling everything down. Next, we're going to get some hair zonker. So we've got the Hairline Rabbit Strips Dark Olive. We're going to take one of those and we are going to, first what I like to do on the back end, well, what I've seen done to give it a little more action, is we are going to cut a little triangle on the back to thin it out to give it a little more action in the water. All right. So you kind of want it coming to a point, kind of looking like that. I'm bringing everything back. We're going to measure it out about the length, and look at that, I pretty much nailed it. So we're going to measure it out. Let's get this stuff all down. Poke it. Take the hook off. Slide that down. Put the hook back on. We're going to take that zonker strip right there, and we are going to lock it down. Probably actually could have started off with this piece a little too short, but we'll still get it down. So snug that up. A couple snug wraps like that. All right. Next we are going to take the Fly Fish Food Bruiser Blend in Dark Olive. It's some dark olive that's got a little bit of sparkle to it. We're going to take a pinch out, about like that, and start stacking it to get it all nice in one direction. Actually, want to take a little bit more, I think. All right, so when you get yourself a little guy going like that, we're going to lay it across the top, right there. Pinch it down in the middle, fold it back, a couple more wraps, take our comb, there we go, do a couple more wraps to lay that down a little better. Alright, we're going to flip it over, take our comb everything back, make sure nothing's trapped. Go, and now we are going to take the Fly Fish Food Bruiser Blend. This is hollow gray. They are out of white, so I went with the hollow gray. It's supposed to be kind of a trout fry pattern, so a rainbow trout fry. They've got, you know, whitish gray bellies, so will work. We're just going to stack it like we did with the last one. Get it going right there. Snug it down in the middle. Make sure you're not trapping anything from the bottom side, or from the top side actually. This is the bottom side. Pull it all back and finish it up. So I'm actually going to tie it back a little. Let me get those to lay down. And all I'm going to do is whip finish, which I am terrible at, so this is probably going to take me a couple tries. Because I'm awful at it, we're also going to throw some UV resin on here. Flatten you out a little bit. There we go. So we're going to take some thin UV head cement and really drain it down and get it in there. Make sure this fly lasts through all the big browns this spring. Take our UV light, hit it. There you go. We've got, let's flip you over so we can see a little better. Got a little Mayhem Minnow. There you go. All right. Thanks for watching.